How to download and install LightCut on Android and iOS. First of all, open the Play Store on your Android device or the App Store if you are using an iPhone. Then tap on the search bar, type LightCut and hit search. From the search results, you will see the official app by LightCut Incorporation. Tap on it to open the app's details page, then press install to start downloading. Depending on your internet speed, it should only take a few moments to complete. Once the installation is finished, tap Open to launch LightCut. The app may ask for permissions such as access to your photos, videos, and storage. Make sure to allow them so you can easily import clips for editing. After that, you will arrive on the home screen where you can explore a variety of editing templates, smart AI tools, and quick export options to enhance your videos with ease. Now you know how to download and install LightCut on Android and iOS. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.